Good morning, besties. Today's ride is one of a kind ride. It is an exciting Adventure Friday. Our second tree planting ride this year with Northern Area Municipality and the Municipality Council in collaboration with Fraternal Order of Eagles. This unique ride will be both meaningful and memorable as we support a great cause. Tree planting is a timeless practice, offers a multitude of ecological benefits. Trees act as natural air purifiers, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. It also improves air quality and mitigating climate change. They also help regulate temperature, reduce noise pollution, and prevent soil erosion. Furthermore, urban trees or forests provide essential habitats for wildlife, contributing to biodiversity conservation. Electric scooter, on the other hand, represent a modern solution to the urban mobility challenges. These electric scooters offer a convenient, efficient, and eco-friendly alternative to the traditional modes of transportation. By reducing reliance on cars and public transportation, electric scooter can significantly decrease traffic congestion, air pollution, and greenhouse gas emission. Additionally, they promote active lifestyles and contributes to healthier communities. In conclusion, the integration of tree planting and electric scooter initiatives offer a promising approach to addressing pressing environmental and urban challenges. By embracing these complementary solutions, we can create greener, cleaner, and more sustainable cities for the future generations. So what are you waiting for? Let's ride and let's plant. Let's protect our planet. Join us and let's make a difference. We are 2 kilometers away dun sa location kung saan tayo magti-tree planting, which is yung name is Sharakan Avenue. So total ng layo pala natin mula sa starting point hanggang Sharakan is around 37 to 38 kilometers. Medyo malayo-layo rin yun.
So liliko daw tayo. Medyo mahapdi na sa mata yung ang init. But still, malamig. So dito na tayo. So we just arrived here. And dito na sila. Morning. Hello. Hi Sammy boy. Assalamualaikum.
Ngayon po yung pangatlong, this is our third time, right? We do our tree planting activities for our Barin Noble region. Maraming salamat po sa maraming salamat sa pakikijoin dito sa activity ng region ng Noble Eagles at ito itutuloy natin. Itutuloy ito habang taon-taon. Let us enjoy planting. Let us ika nga yung pagtatanim. Kailangan mo ring kausapin pagtanim kasi balang araw paglalaki na siya, pagbalik nyo dito makikita mo, you are very proud of yourself na ito, tanim ko to, di ba? Sige po, maraming salamat po. I'll give you the floor to Mr. Jasim for the instruction. Safe na po kayo, be safe. I think we have a representative from Philippine School.
Yes, we have committee.
And we have to guard our students. We have to take care of them. And make sure that doon na tayo sa dulo, huwag kayo dito sa daan kasi may mga sasakyan din. No? Be safe. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Merry Christmas in advance.
Gloves po, gloves.
Okay, I will give instruction to this. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
I am from Northern area municipality. I am Jasser Muhammadan. Thank you everybody for here. We will start here with the new trees. Thank you everybody.
Informal ang program para mabilis. Ang gagawin po natin, while we are walking from here to go there, start na tayo magdamo-damo, mag-nestes na konti, or mga remove ng mga plastic. May plastic pa po kami dito, or garbage bag. Then when we reach there, we can get our plants. They prepared for us 160 plants that we can plant. And he said we have some shovels there also that we can use. Please be careful and take care of yourself. Let's go planting.
Yes. Turuan niyo kami magtanim. Ako taga-picture lang. Ako magtanim. Ako taga-picture.
Mag-gloves po tayo.
Basta akong taga-picture. Documentation lang.
Basta? Si Pwede Noel.
Wala na.
Dali lang tayo may pagdating ba?
Nakuha kayo. Malapit lang yun.
Let's start. Morning.
Ikaw may gloves, oh! Okay, katuray. Bukaan.
Kuha na kayo. At action.
Salamat, Mason.
Kailangan niyo mag...
Sarap yan, gagawing ensalada. Makakain ba to? Oo, yung bulaklak. Yung bulaklak.
Actually, this one is a legacy not just for us, but for our future generations. Because number one, when you plant trees, you have the environment as well. A lot of benefits you have. If this one grows good, blooms better, you can have a shade under this tree. Under my name, but anyhow, once this one grows, it will filter the air, so the next generation will breathe in clean air as well. Actually, it's not for us, it's for the next generation.
How many you plant? How many? A little only. Yeah. Little by little. Oh, nakailang tanim ka? 5? Ikaw?
Nakalima ka pa pala.
Ito, isa lang eh, yung panghuli.
Yung isa kasi wala. Yung pang-anim niya, kinuha ko. Kaya nakadalawa ako eh.
Daya, no?
Okay, nakalima naman siya eh. Grabe naman eh. Sana share your blessing, di ba?
ng tanim, impact sila. Oo.
Ayan, di ba? Ang sarap pag maraming trees. So, dapat lagi tayo mag-tree planting. Kasi, alam mo, itong trees na to, hindi ito dating nandito. Mga tinanim lang din to. Di ba, Doc?
Oo, ano to, man-made lang to.
Man-made forest to. So, imagine kung lagi tayo nag-tree planting. So, magkakaroon ng maraming trees dito sa valley. Di ba? So, magiging masarap ang hangin, sariwang hangin. Tapos, hindi na siya masyadong magiging mainit. Diba? So, come join us next time. Okay?
Together, nothing is impossible. Hand in hand, we can make a big difference. Join us and let's make this world a better place for the next generation. Helmets on, and see you on the road. Keep safe, guys.